Today's video is a boxing tips video showing you to wrap your hands safely, securely, allowing you to have maximum protection whilst punching with maximal power and hopefully continue your session injury free. Hi guys, Michael here. As always, welcome to FitterFasterUK. In today's boxing tips video, we'll be showing you how to wrap your hands safely, securely, giving you maximum protection, allowing you to throw your punches with maximum power, worry-free, hopefully with no chance of injury. Again, warm up your hands prior to wrapping your hands is always advisable. Once your hands are warm, you've done some finger mobilization, some wrist mobilization, then obviously proceed into wrapping your hands. And the reason for today's video, if you've already seen my previous wrap your hands video, a couple of people have asked me to make one a little bit quicker, a little bit easier, as the time taken was a bit too much for them, and they would ideally prefer a video that was more simpler to follow, basically a bit easier to do and a bit less challenging and a bit less time consuming. So this video hopefully will tick them boxes. I do prefer the previous video. I do prefer taking my time and making sure my hands are wrapped in my preferred way. But if you're in a rush, you are pushed for time, it is best to wrap your hands, so I advise finding a way to do it a bit quicker. But this video is just for you. So I will start off. In this video, the wraps are not pre-rolled, so again you save a bit of time there by not having to pre-roll your wraps. So we'll start off with the wraps a bit of a mess. Again, like in the previous video, we will focus on wrapping the knuckles, the back of the hand, the wrist, and the thumb. So we'll start off with the wrap. So initially we just get the wrap in your hand. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. So like in the previous video, we've now created a pad for the knuckle. Whereas the knuckle bit was added later, we now add the knuckle bit first. So we simply hold that, again, we go round. Now the knuckle part is on the hand. So obviously, go around one more time. Ensure the knuckle pad is on the knuckles. And then from there we go around the back of the hand, around the wrist, again, keep your fingers wide the whole time, again, around the back of the hand, making an X, so back around the back of the hand, back around the wrist. Now if you choose, you can go around the thumb, so we then go one loop around the thumb, back toward the knuckle area, around the front of the hand, back down the back of the hand. Now we go through the finger, back between this finger and your thumb, back across the back of the hand, back down to the thumb, again, back through the middle finger, back through there, pull it nice and tight, keep your fingers wide, again, through, round the knuckles, down the back, and then around the wrist, leaving you a nice area here where you can get the hands, knuckles are padded, you're good to go. So that's the left hand. Now we'll go again, we'll do the right hand, same principle, wraps are all loose. I'm going to get it, should we get it in place? I personally stick this bit by the middle finger, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So again we have the padded part. Take your fingers out, ensure it's nice and neat. Stick it on your knuckles, hold it with your thumb. If you need to, use your teeth. A little bit around. That was a little bit of a struggle, but if you've got a friend or teammate who can help you, so again around the knuckles again. Now you've got the knuckle pad secure, just check it's in place. Maybe just if you need, so I'm happy with that. Again, on the back of the hand, around the wrist, back around the back hand, making the X. Again, X around the back of the hand, around the wrist. At this stage now we can go around the thumb, so around the thumb, nice and tight, so from there, back, around the X. Again, from there we go between little finger and the next finger. I'm not sure what the main foot is. Back down there. Your middle finger. Back down there. Back across the X. And the knuckles one final time. Back down the X. If you find yourself now, I've got a little bit more than what I need because sometimes different wraps have a slightly different length. These wraps are 455, which is 4.55 meters, or 4.55 centimeters, or 455 centimeters. So again, I go round. Now as I go round one more time, it's back to front. So the Velcro I need is on the inside. So I simply just twist it, go around, and then finished. So as you can see, that's how you wrap your hands safely, securely, quickly. I'm not sure how long it's actually taken me, but in comparison to the wraps, it's a little bit faster, just as safe. The only difference being you pad the knuckles first, and then you do the back of the hand second. I prefer to do the back of the hand first, pad the knuckles second, but whichever your preference is. And in worst case, if you're in a rush, this is definitely safer than choosing not to wrap your hands. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, leave some feedback. Below will be links A, to these wraps if you want to make a purchase, and B, to some more videos that will be useful. So remember to click the links, leave some comments and feedback, support the channel because it's greatly appreciated. So thank you for watching and take care. As always folks, take some time to click the links, find us on social media, and thanks for watching.